Good morning, DXN. Welcome to DXN, the world's largest Ganoderma producer. Started its journey in Jitra, a small town in Kedah, Malaysia in 1993.
مصنع كبير جدا في الصين.
We have a very big factory in Mexico.
أيضا مصنع كبير في المكسيك.
We have factory in Nepal.
أيضا مصنع بالنيبال.
So we have Nepalis here. We have factory in Bangladesh.
أيضا مصنع ببنغلاديش.
So I changed my language to Bangla. You can translate Bangla? No, right? So next time, only Bangla, only one thing. Ami tume balabashi. Amar sanar Bangla, ami tumo balabashi. And we have factory in India.
أيضا لدينا مصنع في الهند.
India 1.4 billion, but still the population here is less.
طبعا تعداد سكاني الهند أكثر من 1.4
You should bring more Indians now.
يحتاج أن الهند يسافروا كثير.
And we have factory, of course, our first factory for Malaysia.
أيضا مصنع في ماليزيا.
Our new factory, last time also we were talking, our new factory in Peru.
آخر مرة كنا نتحدث عن المصنع اللي بينشأ في بيرو.
And after this, the new factory is going to come to the land of Mr. Rashid, Morocco.
وأيضا مصنع جديد في مملكة